All right, so beautiful people, welcome again. Another trade. We are trading a binary option on IQ option. Right now, we are trading Euro USDT or sorry Euro USD on the OTC. So as you can see, we are trading a candle by candle, 1 minute chart, and as you can see, this one is expected to go up, and if my prediction is right, so we are starting with $1 as usual, and if my prediction is right, I will make 86%, and really 86 cents from $1, that 86%. All right, let's see another position. So let's put $1.80, and yeah, this one. So this prediction, so for example here I'm predicting that the candle will flip and go up a little bit and will make me some money. And yeah, this, what you see in here, is based on some strategies, some indicators, and some chart patterns. All strategies used on this trade, and all the trades on this channel are explained in the course in the description below. So if you are interested in learning binary option trading and flipping your money and doubling it, I advise you to go and take a look at the course in the description below. So yeah, another trade and another win. So I made, so let's now put all the $3, and if my prediction will be right, I will make as you can see, I will make $2.58. Yeah, this is a lower position or short position, as we say in crypto trading, future trading, or forex. This is going down. I predict, this is not magical, guys. I predict the movement of the market based on some strategies. I use some indicators, as you can see here, some indicators, some movements of the market, and all this will give me the next candle, the color of the next candle. For example, this one, yeah, my prediction was right, and I try to turn, for example, so as you can see, we started only with $1, and now we are at almost 5.99, so almost $6. So I advise you to go and take the course, guys. There's plenty good stuff in the course. I teach you everything I learned over the years in trading binary options. I don't advise you to stick with Iqoption. There is plenty other platforms that allows binary option trading, but Iqoption, I guess, for me, not for you guys, this is not a sponsor. For me, Iqoption is the best. So yeah, I advise you to go and take a look at this platform, Iqoption. Right. Yeah. So we are at $10. I will keep that $1 there, and yeah, we are at $10. Yeah, so I will keep this $1 here. I will trade with $9, and if my prediction is right, I will make $7. So as you can see, we are 100% right till now. All the trades were perfect and were yeah, as expected. This one is going up, and if my prediction is right, I will make $7.74. So we turned that $1 into $18, and now I believe that. So I will enter with $16. I'll keep that 2.3 cents. And yeah, so the market will flip here, touch this point, and then came up, and it will come up. Don't worry if you see this happening. Don't worry guys, don't worry, because the market will flip, and this trade is a winning trade. See, it will go up. I know what I'm doing here. I know what I'm doing here. See the movement of the market, the indicator, the indicators, everything is indicating that, yeah, so as predicted, everything is indicating that. So yeah, $13. Now we are at $30. We started with $1. We made a profit of $30 in what, 6 minutes? Yeah, but be careful, don't make a lot of money with the IQ option. Make enough money that you think that it's enough, because IQ option support are so bad. I don't advise you to work with them, to trade on IQ option, because they will give you the hardest time ever. They won't let you withdraw your money. They will keep your money. So keep it logical. Don't make a lot of money. I have this account. I start from $1, make $100, make $1,000, and that's it. I don't make more than 1,000 or 900. Sometimes I keep it in 600-700. So I deposit a lot of money in the account, and once I withdraw, for example, so let's say I deposit $100,000 in my account, and then I trade a little bit, make $2,000. When I withdraw 100,000 or 110,000, that's 10,000. It's not big deal, so I can withdraw on my money. That's not a problem. But if I deposit $1, for example, and I try to withdraw, for example, let's say I deposit $1 and then I make trades, I turn this $1 into $1,000. That's not logical, right? That's not logical. How you made it? There's plenty questions there. So yeah.